There we go. I can see you. So, good morning. It is Sunday. Deep breath, everybody, because today is going to be a good day. It is the Lord's Day. And, well, I woke up to extremely good news because every Sunday I weigh myself. You all know I've been on a weight loss journey. And I, as of today, have lost 42 pounds. Now, on the bad side, my hot water tank is leaking this morning. And I don't know what to do about it. But we're going to take the good and the bad together. And I'm scared to touch the new shutoff valve that they installed a couple weeks ago. So I didn't have a problem with my hot water tank till I had that put in. So I'm trying to get a hold of somebody. And you guys are seeing this in real time, so we'll see what happens. And nothing may happen between now and when I release this video, but I will keep you updated. Yesterday, I put up my glorious tree that my dad bought me. I am so excited about my new Christmas tree. I have always wanted a big tree. And I have to tell you that I don't think that I could get any bigger in here. We have very low ceilings, and this is a 7-foot tree, so it worked out perfectly, and I love the way it looks. Now, I did take the time to fluff everything yesterday. I had snow everywhere. I had it all over me. It was everywhere. I vacuumed and swept and all the things. But the tree I will live with for a few days and kind of just manipulate the branches. And I do need to get a ladder and kind of fluff the top a little bit more. I kind of like to start out that way. And I said to myself, for this year, I'm just going to go very, very easy. I don't have to, I don't even know what the words are. I don't have to be in any rush. So November 1st, I put the tree up and, just fluffing the branches and taking my time to decorate it. I think I have plenty of decorations. And it was so funny. I'm going to tell you guys something. I was looking at videos yesterday of people's Christmas, and they had some really pretty Christmas plates. And I thought, man, I would love to have a set of Christmas plates. And a girlfriend of mine texted me last night, said, hey, do you want some Christmas plates? So she's bringing them to me today, and I'm all excited about getting Christmas plates. Not excited about the hot water tank, but I am excited about getting Christmas plates. So that is what is going on today. I don't know if I'll make it to church or not, but I am dressed for church this morning. There was a gentleman at church. I am connected to his wife. I texted her this morning, and I was just like, could he give me some direction on this until I can get a hold of my plumber? And I haven't heard back from anybody, so fingers crossed that everything works out and I can get a hold of somebody soon. All right, I've got my pasta sauce going. This is just ground turkey and some onion, and then a jar of my mushroom spaghetti sauce. And then this is all done. So I'm just really waiting for my pasta to get done. And there it is boiling. And I thought I'd show you. I know y'all seen this where I bought it, but we are using the chickpea pasta. I will tell you, the hint is to make sure you follow the directions on the side of the box. Do not overboil it because it gets all sticky. It sticks all together and it's kind of gross. It's kind of like brown rice pasta. I mean, you can't overcook it. If you do, you're going to have a mushy mess. So I'm going to turn the heat down on this. I've got a timer set for the chickpea pasta. And when it gets done, I'm going to ladle the pasta out and add it to my sauce. Put a little cheese and we'll be ready to eat. Okay, here we go. We are going to put the Christmas tree up. I'm so excited about this tree. This is brand new. It came from Big Lots. I've got a Christmas movie on from Netflix. It's got Brooke Shields in it, and she's one of my favorites. And I am just trying to open up this box and figure out, and it would help if I would have read the directions, but I didn't because I couldn't see the directions, but I figured I had put many a trees together. I figured I could figure this out, and I did. And the first thing I figured out is that is not the base. So I had to pull that out and put the actual base in the stand. And then when I picked up the second piece to put it in, it said B on it. And I kind of pointed it out to you in the video, like, look, it says B. And that would have been helpful in the first place, but I didn't notice it. But I'm putting this tree together, and I will tell you that it is heavy. This is probably the most legit tree I have ever put together. My arms were tired after fooling with this tree. And it took me a little bit of time to figure out how it plugged into one another, each section, but I did get that figured out. And I'm just going to live with it for a little while, because I'm not in any hurry to decorate. I just kind of want to, just kind of pay attention to how it looks and, see if I want to turn it a certain direction or anything before I put all my bows and my pretty ornaments onto the tree. Now I have a smaller tree, and it is actually on the other side of the living room, and I had it, I still have it decorated for fall. And so I don't know if I want to go a different direction with the big tree or if I just want to add on to what I have and just kind of utilize it between the two trees. Probably will do the utilizing because I don't want to spend a lot of extra money this year on tree ornaments. But I do have plenty of ribbon left over from last year, so I think I'm good to go. So once I got the tree back in the corner where it goes, I had to get the broom. And I will tell you, there's a lot of like static electricity in this snow. So it was sticking to my broom, it was sticking to my shoes, it was sticking to my couch, my chair, it was sticking to everything. But I did manage to give my living room a good sweep over and try to get it all together. And one thing that worked for me is that I could easily see it. So now I got my vacuum cleaner out because I wanted to make sure that I got it all picked up, all the little nooks and crannies, because I can tell you that the broom didn't quite get it all done, but I am glad to get my vacuum out and get it because, it kind of falls into these little cracks in the floor and these little areas, and that way it kind of makes sure that, I get it all up. And then you're going to see me here in a little while. I'm going to vacuum on my chair a little bit and get all the snow off of it because it was all over my clothes. There we go. I'm vacuuming it up. But I got the tree up and it looks great. So I am heading to evening service tonight. It starts at 6. It's about, well, that's not right. It's 5:30. I got to reset that since the time changed today. But yes, I'm getting ready to go to church. The update on my hot water tank is it looks like it's going to have to be replaced. I had a gentleman today, was such a blessing, came over, looked at it. We just turned the water off. We have no water on right now, but the plumber is coming tomorrow first thing in the morning. So we have bottled water and all those things. And I'm going to go to bed tonight and get a good night's sleep regardless. But I did want to come in here and say it looks like the water tank is going to have to be replaced. But they're going to come and look at it and be sure that is what is going on. But the way it's leaking, it looks like that is the situation. So we have to do some of these things that we don't want to do sometime. But tonight when I get home from church, I will shoot a video just showing you the tree one last time lit up while it's dark because it's so, so pretty. And yeah, so I'm going to look forward to decorating it. However, I'm not in any rush. I'm going to take my time putting together Christmas stuff, and I'm going to take you guys along with me on the journey of doing it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching Heidi's Home. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Ronnie and I are going to head to church. I got to brush my teeth yet. So I'm going to go clean my teeth. I did my makeup again, and I'm wearing a pair of jeans and a flannel shirt tonight and a jacket because I'm freezing to death. And also, too, another update. As of today, I have lost a total of 42 pounds since July. So I'm just so excited. It's so crazy. I came down, I weigh myself every morning. I weighed myself today, and I was like, did it say that? Like, because I have a digital talking scale. And I made sure that it ran in correlation like the one at the doctor's office, and it does. And so when it gave me my weight this morning, I was like really, really happy, and I got a cup of coffee, and then my husband says, oh, by the way, I hear water in the laundry room. Just suck the air out of me this morning, but that's okay. We went to church. We had a fabulous service this morning, and we talked about the importance of going to church, the importance of fellowship and making connections, actual connections with people. That's one of the things and the reasons I came back to my YouTube channel is because I have made so many great friends from all over the place, and I just kind of want to stay connected to you. I don't make any money doing these videos, so I do these videos because I love and enjoy, and I really, really appreciate my subscribers. So thank you so much for staying with Heidi's Home. But listen, I'll be seeing you all again soon. I'm going to leave you with my Christmas tree, but I will be catching you again on Saturday. Bye, guys.